So today we are going to start from here. Article, as we were studying articles, rules of articles, and in yesterday class we have discussed about some rules. Rule number 1 we have discussed that how to use a and okay, and yesterday also we have discussed the kinds of article. There are two kinds of article, that is indefinite article and definite article, that you know very well. So yesterday we have discussed. So now today we will continue with this here, rule number 2. Okay. So what is coming in rule number 2? We will get it. Okay. So please. So this is the first. You can see here in the first what is given here in rule number 2. First, what is given here? That is indefinite article. What is indefinite article? A and. This is an indefinite article. So indefinite article a and is used. Where it is used? Let's see. When we talk of a thing or a person that is indefinite or that is mentioned for the first time. So here and means here we are going to use it. We are going to use it for the first time. When it is used for the first time or it is used as a indefinite. So there we will use a and. But the thing is what that we have to remember, that in the sense of what? One. In the sense of one. Then only we can use there a and. Once again, indefinite article a and is used when we talk of a thing or a person that is indefinite, or that is mentioned for the first time. So there we will use indefinite article, that is a or and. Okay. So here now we have the next rule, and in this next rule what is said here, that indefinite article is also used to express a class. It is also used for what? A class, and in the sense of any. In the sense of any. Now you can understand this word a or an. These are indefinite articles. So these are the indefinite articles, and it is used for what? For the expressing a class. There we will use a or an. Now, before a singular or countable. Before a singular or countable. Singular means one. Single, and countable means noun which we can count, that is countable. Okay, this here we cannot count, this is uncountable. Okay, now so before a singular, countable, common noun, when it is mentioned for the first time, representing to particular person or a thing, so there we will use what? Indefinite article. For example, I need a book. I need a book. It means we are talking about a particular book. So there we will write a. And this is countable noun, and this is common noun also. Okay. This is countable noun and this is common noun also, and this is also showing what? Class, means book. It is showing class also, and it is showing countable noun, and it is also showing what? Common noun. Now next, 12 inches make a foot. Again, 12 inches make a foot. Okay, 12 inches make a foot. So till here, I think you have understood. Now we can have another example also, so that you can understand more. Okay, so let's see another example here. So other example is, a beggar came to my door. A beggar came to my door. So in this sentence you can see what? We are talking about a beggar. Here, a beggar. And before this beggar we are talking, is we are just putting what? We are using indefinite article a. So it is very easy to understand what? We can use We can use indefinite article before what? Countable noun and particular person. So particular person means we are talking about a beggar. We are talking about a beggar. So before that we will write here a. Now we can see another example. Example number 4. Please get me a scooter. Okay, so once again you can see here. Here in this sentence, it is talking about one scooter, not two scooters. We are talking about one scooters. Okay. Now we can have another example, one more example that you can see. She gave her a notebook. She gave her a notebook. So in these all sentences, you can see the uses of what? Indefinite article. And I hope that till here you have no problem. Okay, now we have another rule here. So in B. So before a singular means we are talking about what? Uses of indefinite article a and. Okay. So here before a singular countable common noun which is used to single out some person, something as a representative of a class. As a representative of a class. Now you can see that what is the use of what? Representative of a class. So for example, you can see here cow. A cow is a useful animal. Means here we are not talking about a single cow. Single cow means in the world we are talking about. We are talking about all cow. So here it is showing what? Class. It is showing what? Class. It is showing the representative of a class. Means here we are talking about all cow. So a cow is a useful animal. So everybody knows that a cow is useful animal. Now the next one is a rose is a beautiful flower. A rose is a beautiful flower. Now you can understand. You already have seen that rose. Okay, and rose is a beautiful flower. So here we are not talking about a one means of beautiful flower. Means rose. Rose is what? Rose is a representative of all kind of rose. Okay. Now a son should be obedient. Means here we are talking about all son. Those who are having son. Not only son, daughter also. Okay. So that is showing what? Class. That is showing what? Class. Means here you can see that person is also coming and something is also coming. Okay. Person is also coming, something is also coming. Here that is person, that is something. So in this example you have, means you can understand, this is where you can use indefinite article a and an. So now in this example, means in this rule you will see what? To make a common noun of a proper noun to express quality. Means here, this common noun is just changing this what? It is making a proper noun. To make a common noun from proper noun. To make a common noun of a proper noun means you can understand what we are talking about here. So, in this example you can understand here, Psylocke is what? Proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is the name of particular person, place, animal or thing. So that is called what? Proper noun. And common noun is what? That is take the name of all commonly, okay, like students, boy, girl. But if we take the name of any student, so that will proper noun. Okay, city is common noun. Gorakhpur is what? Proper noun. But here, what is talking about? Shylock. Okay, Shylock is not a common noun, but here it is made what? Common noun. Okay, Shylock is living in my neighborhood. So here, this Shylock is proper noun, but because of this use of this a means indefinite article, it becomes what? Common noun. Once again, another example that we can see here. He is a Vikramaditya known for his fairness. Now you can see again. This Vikramaditya is what? Proper noun. But before this, a is used. A is what? Indefinite article. So because of that, it becomes what? Common noun. So I hope that you have understood this rule also. So in this rule, you can see here what? Now, this is the rule number 2 and the section B. Okay. So here, in certain expressions of quantity with certain numbers and expressions of what? Price, rate, speed and ratio. So there you can use what? A. There you can use what? A. There you can use what? A. Here. So once again, in certain expressions, what? Quantity. Quantity you can see here. Number. Number also a dozen here. Okay. And then expressions of price, rate, speed and ratio. So these are what? You can understand what? Means we can use here with quantity, with numbers, means certain numbers and with certain quantities with we can use this indefinite article A. So for example here, rupees 10 a kilo, a dozen mangoes, half a dozen means here, before dozen A is there, before dozen A is there, before kilo A is here. So now you can understand what? Where we can use indefinite article with a certain quantity and with a certain numbers. So till here I hope you all have understood. Thank you so much.